guys, my mom got me wax candy, so I just wanted to try it with you guys. And it's Jello. Look at that. Don't eat the wax. Sorry. Ow. My tooth.